Want to save a ChatGPT answer as a PDF? In this video, I'll show you 4 quick ways to do ChatGPT to PDF. You can ask ChatGPT to create a downloadable PDF, use an extension, press Ctrl P, or copy everything into Google Docs and export it from there. Let's get into it. Method 1. Ask ChatGPT to create the PDF for you. First, make sure your answer is ready. Once the content looks good, just type, "Convert this into PDF." Then, ChatGPT will generate a downloadable file for you. When the file appears, click Download, open it, and that's it. Your ChatGPT response is now a PDF. Second method, using a browser extension. Simply go to the Chrome Web Store, search for ChatGPT Exporter, select the extension, and then click Add to Chrome to install it. After installation, open your ChatGPT conversation, refresh the page, and you will see the extension icons in the upper right corner. You can access the settings icon to adjust the output format for PDF. Here, I will choose to only export answers from ChatGPT. In this case, let's select the PDF icon to export the ChatGPT conversation to PDF. And here's the result. You can see this extension works very quickly and formats PDFs beautifully. You can also further adjust the text color or size by going back to the settings icon, selecting Advanced, and changing the text color. After making the adjustments, choose to export to PDF. Here's the result. It's been customized to your liking. Method 3 is the classic method, Ctrl P. Open the ChatGPT conversation you want to save. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl P. If you're on Mac, press Command P. Then, in the print window, choose Save as PDF. Click Save, choose your folder, and you're done. This is probably the easiest method because you don't have to install anything. The only downside is that the formatting may not always look perfect. Sometimes the PDF includes extra page elements or the layout looks a little messy. The fourth method is the best option if you want a clean PDF. First, open Google Docs and create a blank document. Then, go back to ChatGPT and copy the conversation you want to export. Return to Google Docs and paste it in. Now you can edit everything. You can change the font, adjust spacing, add headings, add images, delete unnecessary text, or make the document look more professional. When finished, go to File, then select Download, and then select PDF Document. Google Docs will download your file as a PDF. So, which method should you use? If you want the fastest way, ask ChatGPT to create the PDF. If you export chats often, use the ChatGPT Exporter extension. If you don't want to install anything, use Ctrl P and save as PDF. And if you want the cleanest PDF, use Google Docs. And that's how to convert ChatGPT to PDF in 4 different ways. Which method do you prefer? Comment below. And if you want more simple ChatGPT tutorials like this, watch the next video on the screen.